Okay, for our intermediate class, we are doing quite an arrangement of smiles, 16 chords. And I've just got a metronome going right now to keep us on the straight and narrow and in the pocket. So we're in the key of G. So 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and smile, though your heart is aching. Smile, even though it's breaking. When there are clouds in the sky, you'll get by if you smile through your fear and sorrow. Smile and maybe tomorrow you'll see the sun come shining through for you. Light up your face with gladness. Hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just light up your face with gladness. Hide every trace of sadness. Although a tear may be ever so near, that's the time you must keep on trying. Smile, what's the use of crying? You'll find that life is still worthwhile if you just smile. Even slower. And then up to the G, the 5th fret.